If you were going on a trip to South America, what kind of clothes should you pack? Knowing what we know about longitude and latitude, looking at this map, can you describe the climate in South America? Our essential question today is, what is the location, place, and physical geography of South America? By the end of the lesson, you should be able to describe the physical location and geography of South America. Looking at our unit flowchart, we can see where we've been and where we're going. We've already covered Canada and Mexico and Central America. We're now beginning our study of South America. Here are some quick facts about South America. It's the fourth largest continent. It has the longest mountain range, the driest desert, the biggest rainforest, and the second longest river in the world. Check out the physical map of South America. Can you locate these features? The Andes Mountains, the Amazon rainforest, the Pampas grasslands, and the Atacama Desert. When studying geography, we always look at a political map as well. There are 13 countries in South America. South America is considered part of Latin America, along with Central America, and it is connected to North America by the Isthmus of Central America. The climate in South America varies greatly by region. You have everything from the driest desert to alpine mountains. Take a look at the map and follow the key to look for the areas. In the next few slides, we'll take a closer look at each of these regions. The Andes Mountains cover 55,000 miles of land. They have peaks up to 20,000 feet high. You can see on our physical map the Andes Range run right down the coast of South America. The Atacama Desert is about 600 miles long. Rain falls less than 5 times a century. It's the driest place on Earth. It can be found in the country of Chile. Before we look at our next climate region, we need to take a look at the Amazon River. The Amazon River runs from east to west across South America. It's 4,300 miles long. It's the second largest river after the Nile. It flows through 6 countries in South America. There are no bridges that cross this river. You can see on the map the Amazon River and all of the offshoots of the river. Now that we know where the Amazon River is, let's talk about the Amazon rainforest. It's half the world's rainforest is in South America. It covers 2.3 million miles, and it receives 9 feet of rain a year. Compare that to the desert we just talked about that receives no rain. In future lessons, we'll talk in more detail about the Amazon rainforest. Before we end our discussion on the geography of South America, I want to take a look at the tectonic plates map of the world. We've seen this map before in our geography course. You can see that the South American plate runs right down the west coast of the continent. And we know that there's a higher risk of earthquake where these tectonic plates meet. Let's do a quick check. The Andes Mountains run along which coast of South America? East Coast, West Coast, or Northeast? If you said the West Coast, you'd be correct. Which area gets the most rainfall? The Pampas grassland, the Amazon rainforest, the Andes Mountains, the Atacama Desert. If you said the Amazon rainforest, you'd be correct. Remember, we said it receives 9 feet of rain a year. Let's review our objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe the physical geography and location of South America. In our next lessons, we'll take a closer look at some of the physical geography in South America, and then move on and look at the history, culture, religion, and economy.